English learners! In today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial / makeup vocabulary class. Today, I'm gonna do my everyday makeup, the makeup that I wear to school, that I wear to work. Everywhere that I go, I always kind of have this face on, and I have a little mirror, and we're gonna be able to learn a lot of cool words that you guys may or may not know. So let's start. I have a mirror with me. This is a mini mirror, so a tiny one. And here we have my makeup bag. So first things first, what I do is hydrate my face. I think that's one of the most important things. So before I apply my makeup, I put a little moisturizing lotion, my moisturizer. You can call it either one of the two, but I feel like moisturizer is the most common used one. This is my moisturizer. I apply it in little dots all over my face, and then I just smooth it out. After we did that, I most likely will put sunscreen on. I'm not leaving my house today, but it's very important to put your SPF sunscreen lotion every day when you're going outside. It's very important for your skin to keep it healthy. Now I'm gonna put this little serum lotion thing. It's supposed to give you an ultimate glow and brighten up your face. I apply it first on my forehead, and then I put little dots all over my face. And then we can smooth it out, blend it all together. Now that our face is all glowy, hydrated, moisturized, whatever you want to call it, I start applying my concealer. Today, since I'm only going to be working from home, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to apply concealer on my face. I'm not going to wear foundation, which I usually use. This is foundation. Foundation is for a more high coverage finish that you put all over your face. A concealer is more of a spot treatment sort of thing. So I apply it to the spots that I need. Let me get my mirror. The spots that I need some coverage on. So this is my chin area. I have a couple of breakouts. Breakouts are pimples, blackheads, those kind of things. Since I'm using it as a foundation today, I'm gonna put it a little bit on my cheeks, on the red spots. And now I'm gonna apply it under my eye to cover my eye bags. I'll apply a little bit on my nose and on my forehead. Before blending this out, I will grab my brow gel, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up so they will have a gelled up look. Fill in my eyebrows. I use this clear brow gel, and it's also serum to grow your lashes. Also, you can use a brow pencil or a brow gel with color, so a colored brow gel. Mine is transparent, so I just brush it up and it holds my eyebrows up like that. And now I will grab my sponge and blend all the concealer out. I like more of a natural makeup look, so I will most of the times use only concealer or a skin tint, which is a little bit less high coverage than foundation. So this is how my skin is looking like when it's all blended out. Now what I'll do next is apply a little bit of blush. So let me open my little blush. It's so cute. It has a little mirror. And this is my little blush brush. So anything like this, you guys can call it brushes. Just like you're painting on a painting and painters use brushes, makeup artists do as well. So I'm taking here my blush and putting it on my cheekbones. I just apply it like that. I like to put a little bit on my nose, on my higher nose. Some people are against that, but I really like how it looks. It gives off sunburn vibes, so I really like that. This blush is really pink, but I really like it, and it goes away during the day, so it's alright. I'll come with my little sponge and just fix up these spots right here. Now I will get my contour and carve out my cheekbones. I like to do it like that. And then on my nose, let me grab my mirror. I like to put it on an upwards motion on both sides of my nose, and then a little blob over here going up the sides of my nose. I like to put a little bit over here as well, and sometimes a little bit on the top of my forehead, like so. I like to keep it natural, so I don't put a lot of it. And I will grab my other brush. This is a brush for your face in general. When I blend it on my eyes, I like to do an upwards motion, so it really lifts up your eye. Here on the forehead, I just make little circles. And here on my cheekbones, we can just glide through like that. And on the nose as well. I always like to grab my sponge. I feel like it gives me more precision. After that, I'll grab my eyeshadow palette. And what I like to do is grab my finger, or you can use a eyeshadow brush. But I like putting a little bit of white on my eyelids just to give a little bit of brightness on my eyes. And also I feel like it maddens up a little bit of my eyes, so it doesn't crease during the day because of the concealer or foundation. Usually my eyes crease up, but when I put a little bit of white eyeshadow, it doesn't. So just a little bit of brightness like that. And that's how it looks. Then I will grab a little brush like this and put a little bit of highlighter that we also have in this palette. I'll put it on the tip of my nose, on the bridge of it as well. This is the bridge of my nose. And sometimes if I want to brighten up my eyes a little bit more, I'll put it in my inner corner, so the inner corner of my eyes, and go up a little bit like so. You can also put it on your brow bone, and sometimes on top of your mouth on your Cupid's bow. After that, I like putting a little bit of setting spray. Also, you can put highlight over here on your cheekbones, but since my skin is very glowy today, I'm not gonna do that, and I like doing that for going out rather than staying in. So now I will do my setting spray. And we're still not done. I'm gonna grab my curling tool, my curling eyelash tool. So I will curl my eyelashes like so. And I will apply my mascara next. I put setting spray before I put my mascara on because or else it will smudge and it just looks like eye bags and it's really hard to take off. So I apply it on my top eyelashes and sometimes on my lower eyelashes, but I don't like doing that too often. So done. And now for my lips, what I will do is I'll grab a lip liner. After I put my lip liner, I didn't put a lot, I'll grab some gloss. And I'll just apply it like that on my lips. And we're ready to go. This is my makeup look for today. Like I told you guys, I like a very natural makeup look, so that's what I did. I hope you guys like the makeup look for today. And if you guys have any questions, you can comment them down below. I really hope you guys learned some makeup vocab today. Thanks so much for watching. For more English tips, subscribe to our channel and join us at Languistic.ca. Thank you guys. Bye.